Hi everyone, this is English 2's instructional video for week 24. Your assignments for the week are 7, 4, 5, and 6. The learning target this week is I can evaluate the SOAP of a media message. All right, determining SOAP. SOAP stands for subject, occasion, audience, and purpose. The subject is what it's about. It can help you determine the occasion and who it was written for. The occasion is why it was written. The audience is who it was written for. And the purpose is either to inform or explain, convince or persuade, or entertain or delight. There's an example I'd like you to look at of SOAP in this link here. It's a pretty good example that explains all the parts. All right, for the explore portion, I'd like you to read information in this link to learn what to look for when using SOAP. I'd like you to watch this video, and I also want you to look through these flashcards. So please take a few moments to complete these activities. For the explain portion, in a Google Doc, I'd like you to explain the parts of SOAP. For the evaluate portion, I'd like you to take this quick quiz on SOAP to see what you learned. For the elaborate portion, you're going to complete question 5 in Unit 7, Lesson 4. It says to write a paragraph with the following subject, occasion, audience, and purpose. The subject is on food safety. The occasion is the aftermath of an outbreak of sickness at a fast food restaurant due to tainted meat. The audience is your congressman or congresswoman, and the purpose is to persuade. And there's also a rubric as to how you'll be scored on this assignment. And finally, for the express portion, now that you've worked on learning more about SOAP, how do you feel about your progress? Please read through these statements and write the one that best fits you in your Google Doc. Also in your Google Doc, I'd like you to write your reflection. How can you use what you learned in real life? All right, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks.